A set of ramps is the safest way to do this job. So remove the diesel cap and then remove the rubber surround. Behind that is two 10mm bolts that need to be undone. Support the tank with the jack and remove the two retaining straps. There's 2 bolts per strap. These are the 2 at the front.
Wear goggles.
Yeah.
Right.
Tank back down.
Nice and slowly. Like nice and slowly. Right. No, wait. Right. Yeah. It will go. Not just do it nice and slow. That's it. Slowly, slowly.
More?
Yeah.
More?
Yeah, all the way, but nice and slowly.
The whole jack out the way?
Yep. Let me drop it down this way.
Whoa, 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 don't pull on it, baby, it's a plug.
No, up the top.
Okay. Whoa. You got it?
Yeah.
As you're dropping the tank, make sure you unclip these electrical cables from their retaining screws. Once you've undone the ring cap, very carefully lift the sender unit out. We found it easier to take the seal with it. At the very bottom of the sender unit is the float, which comes off at an angle. So you need to come off offset as you come out to make sure that you don't damage that. Otherwise it's not going to show how much fuel you've got in the tank properly. Once it's out, clean where you're going to drill the hole. 6mm drill bit for the standpipe, and we stuffed some kitchen roll in to make sure we didn't drop any small pieces of plastic into the sender unit. To make life easier, I attached the fuel pipe to the standpipe before I fitted it into the sender unit. Standpipe was cut down to 20 centimeters, so it's just short of the fuel pickup on the sender unit. Carefully put the sender unit back in, float first. Get the seal reseated and get the ring cap screwed back on. This is definitely easier with 2 of you, as one person can hold the sender unit in the correct position while the other person screws the cap. Once you've got it hand tight, use the hammer to tighten it up properly. Then it's just a case of putting it all back how it was before.